HealthWorks this morning, thinking about having cosmetic surgery after getting a divorce. It's actually a rising trend right now. In a recent study, 26% of people who underwent plastic surgery were recently divorced, and it's being nicknamed revenge surgery. Here to talk more about this trend, local plastic surgeon Dr. Leo Lapuerta. Doctor, thanks for coming in first off. So is that an appropriate term, revenge surgery, or is it more of a, hey, I'm back on the market and I need a new mate surgery? A little bit of both?
Right. I see a lot of, unfortunately, a lot of people get divorced, about 50% of the population. So we see a lot of divorcees after their marriage fails. And we see a little bit of the revenge type of attitude, but we don't want to operate on anybody that's still very angry or bitter. It's a serious procedure. And you want to be healthy and have the right frame of mind before you undergo a procedure.
Yeah, obviously a lot goes into you talking to the patient, getting the reasons of why they're doing this. I mean, can you throw a percentage out right now of this so-called revenge surgery? I mean, this is people thinking, well, they didn't want me. I'm gonna show you, that kind of attitude, right?
Right. I think it's, at least in my practice, it's very low. What I see more after divorce is people who want to get back on the dating scene and want to improve their image, want to improve their confidence, and they want to find a new boyfriend or a girlfriend.
What do you need to tell the people when they come into your office and they want to have something done, who are coming out of a relationship like this? How do you, basically what I'm getting at is, how do you vet these people and determine why they're really here, what the reasons are they're getting this procedure done?
Yes, well, we have to do a lot of counseling. They probably need a little bit more time to think about different procedures and options. But you really don't want to rush into a major surgery with the wrong mindset. And sometimes, you know, we have to spend a little bit more time with them and really figure out the reasons why they want to restore their body.
What are some of the main procedures that people are having done nowadays? And it's not just women. I mean, plenty of men are getting plastic surgery as well.
Right. About 90% are women still, but 10% are men, and that percentage is growing. The most common procedure for women would be a breast augmentation after they've had some children. Liposuction would be number 2. Abdominoplasty would be number 3. Eyelid surgery would be number 4. A facelift would be number 5. For men, a lot of men get their eyes done, blepharoplasty. A second option would be a neck lift or a facelift for a man who wants to get a new girlfriend after divorce. So there are a variety of procedures that can really help people restore their image.
Once you do the surgery and then the people see the end result and then get back on the dating scene, if they come back to you and said, hey doc, that's really working out well, my new chin or my new eyebrows or whatever, working great. I mean, do you hear those kind of success stories?
Oh yes, they're excited, and you know, part of my job as a plastic surgeon is to restore the body that kind of boosts their spirit, and that's a lot of fun to see, a person after a successful procedure.
I was going to say, it's not only a lift for somebody's physical appearance, but I would imagine it does wonders for their mental area as well in terms of how they feel about themselves.
Right, it boosts their spirit, it boosts their self-confidence, it really helps them, and that's there's a lot of satisfaction in that.
Dr. Leo Lapuerta, we appreciate you taking the time this Memorial Day to come in and give us a little insight. Appreciate the time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.